a big hello to all the viewers and listeners. Welcome to this very first episode of Cove Cafe. I'm Nitya Kamboj, founder of Arkia, and today, in the very first episode, we have Sri Gopal Abra, Managing Director and President of RR Global. In this episode, we are talking about RR Cable, which is also a part of RR Global and one of the leading companies in the electrical and copper industry. Welcome to this episode, Gopal.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you. So, RR Cable is the first wire and cable company in India which has such a diverse range for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. So, can you tell us about the vision that you started off with?
See, basically, we started this company because we had a fire in our office, and that fire was because of wire, and we lost heavily.
Oh,
So, since we had a background of manufacturing copper enamel wire, so half of the knowledge we had that how to buy the copper, how to draw the copper, but then the next technology was we are looking for that. So, we hire good people, then we travel all over the world to buy the best technology, best machine.
right.
And it's a quite fortunate we are originally that the world was in a way of changing the technology in terms of organization quality. So in 1997-98, the new technology came for conductor. You know, in wire, it's two things. One is conductor, second is insulation.
Yeah.
So that conductor, that UV technology was the very latest technology in the world. So we became the fourth company in the world and first company out of the Europe. And
Okay, that's really nice.
before that, it was that halogen free, that time to be called as halogen free flame retardant. Now they changed the name into LSOH insulation. So
Right.
that technology also was evolving. So we got both of them. So then we became the first company in the world to make unilayer conductor with LOSH compound.
Right.
So then the advantage of this LOSH, basically, see, we all know very well, though we are not serious, anyone, including architect or consultant or end user, consumer, neither the government, that worldwide, the fire takes place 80% cases of because of electrical,
Right. Absolutely.
and out of this 80% is because of either wire and cable or switch gear, MCB जो होता है switch gear होता है उसका होता है,
Right. Absolutely.
और कोई भी व्यक्ति इसमें फोकस नहीं करता है
Yeah.
because first of all this product is behind the wall. आर्किटेक्ट क्या देखता है कि मेरा प्रोजेक्ट दिखने में कितना सुंदर होता है, घर वाले देखते हैं कि मेरा सुंदर होता है, बरोबर है. सो बिहाइंड द वॉल प्रोडक्ट को,
Yeah. The
so
service.
this is the biggest challenge in the world
Right.
in terms of marketing. देखें या समझो हमारे हेल्थ पे अगर हम देखते हैं तो हम
Right.
लोग क्या कोशिश करते हैं, कपड़े अच्छे पहने, अच्छा मेकअप कराएं, अच्छा कॉस्मेटिक खरीदे, अच्छे चश्मे खरीदे, लेकिन ये सब करके फायदा नहीं जब तक आपका अंदर का बॉडी, आपका
Right.
हार्ट है, ब्रेन और लीवर है, अगर वो सही नहीं है तो कितना भी आप मेकअप करें कोई फायदा नहीं. तो उसकी वी आर इनटू एक्सटीरियर ब्यूटी, वी
Right.
शुड बी ऑन इंटीरियर सेफ्टी.
So
So
LSOH is one of the most exciting products in your range when it comes to construction and building range. So what is the mechanism of this product? How does this work?
See, basically, regular wire is PVC wire, and India is the only country where got FRS wire. आज
Right.
भी कंसल्टेंट को लगता है या गवर्नमेंट को CPW जो नया पार्लियामेंट हाउस बन रहा है, जिसमें करोड़ रुपया खर्चा, जिसमें आजादी के 50 साल बाद एक अच्छी यानी मॉन्यूमेंट बनने वाला है, उसमें भी FRS वायर सर्टिफाइड किया है. मैंने अभी कल भी इंटरव्यू दिया है, आई एम फाइटिंग फॉर दैट, कि जहाँ से देश राज करने वाला वही बिल्डिंग ही सेफ नहीं है, जो नहीं बनने वाली हो.
Yeah.
तो FRS के बदले LS. तो क्या होता है जब आग लगती है तो वायर में धुआं लगता है PVC का, और PVC क्या होता है, बहुत डेंजरस होता है, उसमें स्मोक बहुत ज्यादा होती है. तो लोग आग से नहीं मरते हैं, ये पहली बात तो कंफ्यूजन क्लियर होना चाहिए. आग से लोग नहीं मरते हैं, लोग मरते हैं आग के अंदर जो धुआं होता है उससे, क्योंकि PVC का धुआं जो होता है टॉक्सिक होता है, तो उसके कारण से आप स्मेल नहीं पाते, आपको ब्रीदिंग इश्यू होती है. दूसरा, आपका विजिबिलिटी खत्म हो जाता है. अगर आप ये कमला मिल का आग बोले या उपहार थिएटर जो सबसे पुरानी बात है, या आमरी हॉस्पिटल कलकत्ता में जो आग लगी, वहां पे जितने भी लोग मरे आग से नहीं मरे, बिकॉज ऑफ धुआं के कारण से विजिबिलिटी खत्म हो गया, तो आपको एग्जिट मालूम नहीं कहाँ से होएगा.
Right.
तो दैट्स अ बिग चैलेंज. तो ये इंसुलेशन होता है इसको, तो इंसुलेशन का इसमें पूरा फर्क होता है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज LOSH wire. Yeah.
Right. So I'm curious to know what were the initial products that you invented and what strategies did you use to evolve your products till date?
So we started with a very high-end product. But it's quite unfortunate. It took 18 years for us to get an BIS approval. जो प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल का ऑफिस जब बना था, कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस अंधेरी का बना है, या
Right.
हिंदुस्तान लीवर का, तभी हिंदुस्तान लीवर था, अभी यूनिलीवर हो गया, उसका जो कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस बना उस सब में एलओएसएच वायर उस जमाने में लगा हुआ है. बट स्टिल क्या हो गया है कि लोग अभी भी समझते हैं कि एफआरएस वायर है बेस्ट है. So this is a big challenge is happening because it's quite unfortunate. I am being a past president of IEMA when I was the president of Indian Electrical Economics of India, and we were the first association to make a on electrical fire safety. We did a seminar, and who came in this seminar? बट वो आफ्टर सेमिनार के बाद में वही कंसल्टेंट और बाद में जब लिखने जाते तो क्या है कि आदमी की अंगुली कांप जाती है, शायद वो क्या होता है समझता नहीं है. बिकॉज सी एज ए पार्ट ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ कंट्री वी लिव लॉट ऑफ इन द पास्ट.
Right.
So this is as a Indians we got a big challenge that we still live in a lot of past.
Right.
तो कोई भी इस चीज में देख ही नहीं रहा है. तो लेकिन हमने उसको मेहनत की है. Then we are the only company in the world which got 29 international approval for single factory.
Right.
And we became the largest exporter since our inspection from the third year of our company.
Right.
So still we are the largest cable exporter from India. And all major market developed country. वैसा नहीं कि हम अफ्रीका बेचते हैं या कोई छोटी मोटी कंट्री में बेचते हैं, तो we export to good quality. And whatever the best projects has done in India, in individual में अगर आप देखेंगे तो मुकेश अंबानी का घर बना है, रतन टाटा घर बना, या आमिर खान का है, या सचिन तेंदुलकर है, हु सेलिब्रिटी वो खुद के. और सारे बिल्डर जो बता दो मजे की बात, जब बिल्डर का खुद का जब घर बनता है, अभी भी दिल्ली से एक बिल्डर का मेरे को फोन आया है आज सुबह, सर हमारा बंगला बन रहा है, वायर आपका लगाना. मैं सर प्रोजेक्ट का छोड़ना, वहाँ कॉस्ट का होता है, हमको यहाँ खुद की सेफ्टी देखनी. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंट. 90% डेवलपर ओनर के घर के अंदर आर काबिल वायर है. तो इसका मतलब दे नो ऑल्सो सिंसियरली दैट वी आर द बेस्ट एंड वी आर द अल्टीमेट.
Right. So, just a personal question: how does it feel creating so much of an impact in every human being's life through your product?
So it gives a lot of happiness, lot of pleasure. That we see everyone runs company for money, but
Right.
as a policy we are not running company for the money. So our CSR is also very active. So we are happy and we are giving a lot of pleasure that we are fighting for the safety of the people, safety of this country. जो बहुत जरूरत है. Means nobody is talking about the electrical safety.
Absolutely.
Which is a very means sometimes it feels ashamed also that why I am living in this country where people are not talking about the safety.
So, can you share some behind the scenes of how these cables are made? Is there any specific technology that you use? Anything for our viewers and listeners?
See, basically technology. So see what happens. First of all, in my opinion, any technology is the willingness of the promoter is the best technology. Number one. पहले तो आपका willingness है कि नहीं. See, I can buy the best of best machine, or you can also buy the best machine to make cable and wire. But
Right.
whether it's your willingness is there or not, that you want to make the best.
Right.
So machine don't produce anything best. The willingness of the company, the strategy of the company, the culture of the company, that make the best product. So we bought all the best machines from the world. We got the latest technology, and fortunately for last 18 years our factory construction keep on going. And every 3 months, 2 months we are adding new machines because we are the only company in the world for last 21 years. We are continuously growing 25% CAGR.
Right.
Last year corona period में also we have grown.
That's
So
really
because people trust on us on the quality,
Right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Coming on to quality, all your products have this one standardized quality, which has turned into, like, as the company says, the promise of safety. So, can you elaborate on how you have achieved this over these years?
See, I'll tell you now, we are first in everything. So,
Right.
because see, we follow the global standard. We are the only company who follow the global standard.
Right.
So, what happened, in Europe, especially, see, electrical industries dominated from Europe. In new technology, America is on top, but then the electric industries, all big companies except one or two, all are from Europe. So, in Europe, what they do, when they change the standard, they give 1 year time to the distributor manufacturer to change the standard. And what we do is, say, for example, when ROHS was compulsory in Europe that it has to be no product can be go without ROHS standard. So we get an opportunity. तो हम लोग जब दुनिया में कंपल्सरी होता है उसके 6 महीने पहले हमारे स्टैंडर्ड चेंज कर देते हैं. So we are the first company to have ROHS standard. We are the first company which is a REACH compliance. So RR Carbon is the only company in India. Their products are 100% REACH compliant. 100%.
Right.
Whether I sell in domestic, as I sell, though after doing all these things, we are also fighting for price. We are competitive. So we are creating a value for money for the people, for the safety, and our lab where we do the testing. Our lab is NABL, which is the highest level of credential for any laboratory. एक होता है product के लिए approval होता है, NABL के लिए होता है. NABL क्या होता है? I cannot disclose the name, but best of the best authorities who are the testing authorities in the world, they use our laboratory to test for others' products. So this kind of credential we created, yeah.
Right. So the silicon cables is also an innovative range, right?
Yeah, silicon. It's
So
a.
how is the use of these cables? Where do we apply them?
Oh, this is for fire alarm wire.
Right.
Like, see, in India, we use still our fire alarm use is very little. But if you look into foreign, even in each and every house, you'll find a fire alarm system.
Right.
So in India, में तो means my couple of friends are there who want to fire security system. तो मेरा जब ऑफिस बना रहा था मैं 20 साल पहले, तो मैं उसको बोला यार ये फायर अलार्म सिस्टम में चलाए जो अलार्म दिखता है तो प्लास्टिक का जल जाएगा. अरे बोला अलार्म का छोड़ना, मेरा वायर ही ऐसा वही जल जाएगा, तो कुछ नहीं होगा. बोला खाली दिखाने के लिए लगाते हैं. तो दिस आर द स्टैंडर्ड्स वी हैव एंड एक्वायर्ड एंड द विलिंगनेस जिसको बोलते हैं ना. तो वी आर द कंपनी हु गॉट fire alarm cable, which is a big consumption for high-rise building, commercial offices, even people, those who are smart, they use it residentially. This is only for fire alarm cable. It's a latest edition we have, and for that we apply for LPCB approval, which is the highest standard in the world. So, or each and every product has got either 3, 4, 5, 6 international approval. And what is the advantage for having international approval? That because see, this all approval authorities, they come to inspect our factory without notice. So we have to give a yearly holiday, like Saturday, Sunday they don't come as an English company. Plus that 11 holidays which we follow in the factory, so we have to give advance. So without informing they come. So every 15 days or 30 days we have some or other the agency are in the factory. So this helps us that we have to be very alert. First of all, as a willingness, we are alert. But then because of this, we never know on Tuesday, for example, next Tuesday, the BASIC will come. We don't know. Next Friday, somebody will come from UL, somebody will come from VD approval. Yeah. So these are the advantages when you go for international approval. So that change the whole culture of the company.
Right.
So basically, doing good things, you need to focus on culture, sustainability of the company, sustainability of the organization, sustainability of the environment.
Right. In fact, I was just coming to sustainability of the environment. Like the past few years, there has been so much inclination towards sustainability in terms of designs and products. So as a company, what do you think are some major innovations that will contribute to sustainability of the environment?
See, first of all, that our 80% of wire is produced from solar power.
All right, that's really amazing.
So this is the first, right?
Right.
Now we are working very hardly on water conservation. So already we are changing, our work is going on. Then third one, because on the big cable drum, we use the wood.
Right.
So we are trying to become the wood positive. So it will take another 5 to 7 years to become the wood positive. So we are looking for tree plantation so that water, of course we are working. Power, as I told you, that we use the green power. And for wood also we will be doing conservative. So that we are very cautious that we should not destroy the nature.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So in your opinion, do environmental friendly spaces affect the use of cables and wires in a particular construction, and if yes, how?
See, environment friendly, first of all, this copper is recyclable.
Right.
The best part, yeah, copper is recyclable. And then it's come to insulation. So insulation, I would request everyone to not to use PVC in anything. Yeah. Even either in interior also.
Yeah.
Because see, PVC is the most dangerous product. But unfortunately or fortunately, all over the world, all the PVC manufacturers are big corporates, so they are unable to ban this.
Hmm. Yeah.
Because my message is very clear and very loud.
Right.
When one program the CM was there, then I took the name also. Then people said, "Don't take the name of the company." But I said, "I don't worry about it." But this is a real dangerous thing in PVC. It's a big dangerous.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, any other thing that you would want to add in case of environment-friendly spaces? How does RR Cable contribute to people who are inclined towards making sustainable homes or something? What would you want to say to them about your product?
Yeah, I see. Sustainable home means I tell you, if it is not right size of the wire. So no size means right wire. 1 square meter, 1.5 square meter, 2.5. Then inside the conductor, if your wire is of not right size, your electricity bill increase.
Okay.
And so quite unfortunate in India last 7 years that BIS has made mistake. वो पैनल वायर जो पैनल बोर्ड में लगता है और बिल्डिंग वायर, इसको बिल्डिंग वायर हमने बिकॉज यहाँ हाउस वायर बोलते हैं फॉरेन में, बिकॉज आई स्टे मोर इनटू ओवरसीज, तो बिल्डिंग वायर बोलते हैं, इसको इंस्टॉलेशन वायर बोलते हैं. दोनों के स्टिल अलग अलग होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक होने से लोगों ने वो क्लास 5 कंडक्टर 50% ऑफ द मटेरियल इन मार्केट इज अवेलेबल ऑफ क्लास 5 कंडक्टर. उसमें कॉपर कम होता है, 3%-4% कॉस्ट कम आती है, लेकिन उससे कई ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल भरते हैं. तो राइट साइज ऑफ द कॉपर, राइट साइज ऑफ द वायर अगर आप यूज करेंगे तो दिस विल सेव lot of power and safety factor will also increase.
Thank you so much for this very helpful tip. So now we are going to do a quick rapid fire round just to make things fun. I will ask you one question and you have to answer it in less than 10 seconds. Okay? Right. So the first one is your favorite piece of architecture.
It's a big message. There are many, like Taj Mahal you can say.
Oh.
Better, we should take an Indian name because I travel overseas more. Taj Mahal, yeah.
Right. The product line that you're most proud of?
Car parking system. We are making car parking because for that we are the first company in India that we bought this technology. Way ahead of time, yeah.
Amazing, really amazing. The most challenging product that you have to create till date?
See, product we have created, but the most difficult is to explain the people. That's a big challenge in India. So, to making is nothing difficult.
Creating the product was never challenging.
Never challenging, but to explain the people and the seriousness of people is not there. So, that's a big challenge.
Right. Describe your brand in one word.
Reliable resources.
Oh my God, very nice. One change that you would want to bring to our industry?
Our industry means which industries? Cable industry or architect industries?
Cable industry, let's say.
मैं architect industry में बोलता हूँ ज़्यादा बढ़िया है, which I have been fighting for last 23 years. कि that architecture college में electrical training होना चाहिए architect को, that should be a must.
Okay, all right. An architect or designer whose work fascinates you?
It's difficult to take name because all of my good friends, sometimes it's become challenging.
All right, I'll let that pass. The best part about work on vacation?
Work on vacation is really, it's a concept itself is very good, first of all.
Right.
That you work and vacation both. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, जैसे कोरोना के टाइम में वर्क फ्रॉम होम में बैलेंस करना, ऑफिस और घर दोनों बैलेंस करना, तो वर्क ऑन वेकेशन में वेकेशन और वर्क दोनों को बैलेंस करने का जो आर्ट सीखने को मिलता है, इट्स डिफरेंट.
Yeah. So, Gopalji, it's been wonderful getting to know you and the company. Thank you so much for such an insightful conversation. I mean, I personally learned a lot from you.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.